Winter is beautiful, is it? Not always. Enjoy your winter with innovative technology that will keep your hands warm and make your daily life easier. Meet NAPOSPY, the world's smartest leather gloves. Built-in gloves tracking will prevent you from losing your gloves. Simply connect NAPOSPY with your smartphone app and receive lost gloves notifications, or check last known location of both gloves. Last pair of gloves you ever bought. Remote Buzzer will help you find your misplaced gloves at home. Simply trigger the buzzer and follow the sound to locate each of your gloves. No more lost gloves investigations. Built to last touchscreen functionality will work with all devices, from smartphones, tablets, and car navigation systems to ATMs and ticketing machines. Keep your hands warm while connecting with the world. High-quality crafting will ensure a long-lasting experience with NAPOSPY, made from Ethiopian lambskin leather with a lot of attention to details. Enjoy the winter with style. Get your pair of the world's smartest leather gloves. Winter is beautiful with NAPOSPY.
First off, what am I talking about? I'm talking about FPV, or first person view, freestyle or racing drones, where you use a controller like this, goggles like these, in order to maneuver these incredible aircraft. So what makes FPV drones similar and different from traditional camera drones, and why are they so much fun to fly and gaining so much popularity as a hobby and a sport? So they're both called drones and have a vaguely similar appearance, but that's where their similarities end, and here's how they're different. 1. You are in complete control. There's no autopilot or GPS. Every movement and direction is controlled by you via these joysticks, and is what allows for their incredible...
Solowheel. 7 years ago, the world was introduced to a revolutionary transportation tool, and since then it has taken off like wildfire. Learning how to ride is an earned experience that pays off with newfound ability to get around town easier than ever before. But what about that learning curve? Not everyone has the confidence to give it a shot without some help. The Solowheel is balanced front to back, not side to side. So the hardest part of learning to ride a Solowheel is figuring out how to keep the wheel from veering left or right. Some have tried a training wheel approach, but they restrict the rider's ability to steer at all, hindering the learning process entirely. That's why we came up with the Solowheel Brush. Solowheel Brush will dramatically ease the learning curve for the first-time riders. The bristles provide just the right amount of stability needed to keep the wheel stabilized without preventing the tilting action needed to learn to steer. Solowheel Brush has a full adjustable attachment method, allowing you to connect it to a variety of pedal sizes. And once you have them mounted, you'll be riding on your own in no time. Like doing yard work, brushing your hair, even grooming your dog.